Hello, my good people. Florida Doughboy Alberto here. Today I'd like to show you guys the Pokemon pizza. You want to give them something to talk about? Kids love it. Everybody loves Pokemon. Never goes out of style. My kid's 5, he wants Pokemon all day. So, as always, get you some good dough to work with. Flour it up real good. Flour on your board. Alright. I like to show you guys every video how to stretch a pie. So, the first thing I do is work on my edge. Go around the edge real good. Push it down, stay right inside the edge. Push it down real good. Stay away from the middle. Alright, once you pick that thing up, flop it on your hands, back and forth, keep your fingers spread. I like to keep my thumbs up towards the edge, because the middle's going to get thin on its own, so I always work the edge. Same with here, hands like this. Work the edge, thumbs up. Lay it down. Make it nice and round, get the air out of there. All right, check out this pizza. Sauce all the way to the edge. Just leave a little space. Always get your sauce out of the middle. Because when your pizza cooks, everything wants to kind of go in, so keep stuff out of the middle. All right, sauce it up, cheese. I'm going to put a little more cheese on the one side. Make this Pokemon ball look good. This side here is going to get pepperoni. Cover this whole thing with pepperoni. You got to get good coverage so the whole thing's red. Alright, black olives. Make a line. And we're going to make a circle in the middle. Look at that. Pokemon. I'm learning a little bit about Pokemon lately. Alright, I got that bad boy in the oven. Let that cook. About 8-9 minutes. I got my oven set on 550. Have some fun with it. Get people talking. You got to keep it exciting. Keep that business flowing. I'll see y'all when the pizza comes out. Okay, there she is. Go catch some Pokemons. All right, let's see how we're gonna cut that. I almost don't want to cut it because it's so pretty. Yeah, I guess you could cut this in squares maybe. I'd do a little better. Cut it in squares or cut it. Let's cut it in squares. There we go. Thanks for watching today. Another episode. And that's the Pokemon pizza. Thanks for watching. Another fun pizza. You can do it at your shop. Add it in if you want to get some hype around your business with some fun pizzas. Or if you just want to do it at the house with the family. A lot of kids are into Pokemon. I'm bringing that one home to my son. He's going to flip out. If you like the video, hit the like button and give me a subscribe. Thanks again. Have a good one.